My name is Awak Garang. I'm South Sudanese. I reached in 2014 in Nyumanzi. And we settled on 7 January 2014 in Nyumanzi. In the last 2 years, I was a vice in a Block C as a vice chairperson. This year, in current leadership, I'm also a secretary in Nyumanzi Block C. In 2017, I started this business of retail shop, and what I'm selling in the shop is all called soft drinks and commodities like bean, rice, fosho. Those are the things that I'm selling. Last year, I started the restaurant behind this shop to generate more money for me. The safety of Uganda contribute to my business because people are not being robbery. And I think that the safety is contributing to my movement, even to home. I feel safe when I leave the shop, I just walk to home. I feel good because I'm now in peace and my children went to school freely. I'm not sleeping that someone might shoot me at night.